Salvonani, Makadi, hello and welcome to my channel, Kaya's Gogo. My name is Svonile and I'm just sharing with you my journey back to the motherland. I'm in Zimbabwe. I'm in Bulawayo, the city of kings and queens. So this morning I am just doing a bit of laundry, and laundry is being done by hand. I have no washing machine. I don't miss it, but it would have been nice. My dogs. It would have been nice to have one, but laundry has to be done with or without the washing machine. Hey guys, so most of the households here will do their laundry by hand anyway, and that's what I'm doing. And I have my little setup here, some buckets, dish, a bigger dish where I have the laundry, and smaller buckets that I will use to carry the water from the water tank, which is right here. That's the Georgia tank, the water tank that I use to get water to do my laundry. I could have connected the hose, which is right here by the dogs, but it's too much work. So I'll just carry on doing my laundry. So this is one of those mornings that I get up and do laundry, and to show you that life still happens here with or without all those technical sophistication that we have in the developed countries. So we still have to wear our clothes clean, so we wash them by hand. And that's my morning today. It rained last night, so it's still quite cloudy, and there's streaks of sunshine, which means I will take advantage of that coolness so I can do my laundry and get it out, and the sun will do its job. I don't need a dryer here. I just go ahead and put my clothes on the line and they will dry. I haven't done this in a very long time. So going back to basics. I look forward to having my washing machine soon. There's a little bit of slowness right now with travel restrictions. I was not able to get a machine from the United States because of the differences in power. I already have a few gadgets that will need a step-down transformer, and having all these gadgets with step-down transformers was just not something that I wanted to do. So we'll be getting a washing machine sometime, but in the meantime we got to wash our clothes and wear clean clothes. So hand washing is what we do. To those of you who are joining me the first time, thank you for stopping by. Hope you continue to watch my videos and share and subscribe, and hopefully it can encourage somebody in the diaspora, Zimbabwean, African, someone who is African at heart, who wants to come and settle or visit the continent. Just sharing you what the day-to-day life can be or is like. Granted, it might not be the typical lifestyle for the average Zimbabwean. I have raised my kids, they're grown. I have been employed for a very long time, and have been able to acquire a few things in my life that make it a little bit easier, but that may not be the typical household lifestyles that other homes have. But needless to say, Zimbabweans are generous, loving people. They live a humble lifestyle, and I encourage anyone who would like to come to please give Zimbabwe a visit and take a look and see how we live. Wash everything by hand, rinse, and then put it on the line to dry. So my dogs had a field day. I just stepped away for a second, and they got a hold of my gloves, and they now have holes, so I've had to throw them away. So back to basics. Gotta do the laundry. It's not too big a load, so should be able to finish without my hands feeling it. Instead of helping me do the laundry, they just bark. They just bark and bark and bark. So to some of you who think, oh my goodness, she's doing laundry by hand, I'm not gonna come to Africa, I'm not gonna come to Zimbabwe, life is too hard. Take a moment and be grateful for the privileges and advantages that you have. This is a life that some people have lived forever and ever. You know, having to do laundry by hand, having to wash dishes by hand, and life goes on. It's really no big deal. So if you do have all these things, take a moment and be grateful. Because some people will never see the face of a washing machine, dryer, or dishwasher. This is how they do it, and that's just about it. So I'm grateful for all the experiences that I've had. I'm also grateful for being able to do this by choice. After all, I could have chosen to remain abroad, but I wanted to come back to Africa and all of its shortcomings and greatness. So I'm here to enjoy it to the full extent. I'm not gonna cry about not having a dishwasher or a washing machine. I'm cool. So now that the washing is done, we're gonna take the clothes to the line and dry them. So we'll hang the clothes on the line and let the sun do the natural drying. It's still shady, but the sun is up today. It's the sky is blue with a few clouds, and it's gonna get nice and bright, and the clothes will dry in no time. So that's my laundry for the morning. It's all up, just waiting for the sun to do its thing. We will talk about ironing, which I don't like. Shizai doesn't mind ironing, so he'll do that. I'll help him. So on to the next chore.